We are an organization designated by Malaysian Communication Commission Malaysia, which is MCMC for short, for any technical standards matters. So what we do is basically we have working groups, 21 active working groups currently, 2 more coming soon. What we do is finding technical standards for Malaysia. So the first project will be called ECO2. It's one of our first proud achievement for Green IT Working Group. It's, basically what ECO2 is a submersible cooling solution for green data centers. So it's dielectric. You can put your hand in when it's in operation procedure, when it's running. And then our second project is about low carbon impact on the industry for IT companies, which is going to be done by SEDA. It's more about research. And then the third one will be an app, which is not yet announced. It's going to be called Sahabat Hijau. It's for the green peacekeepers. So we think it's a potential solution towards the awareness that is going to be happening in public, probably in about 2 or 3 years from now.